Alright guys, I'm gonna start doing a few things to the 370 today. Just a few maintenance stuff, which I got over here. Just an oil change, new filter, and I'm gonna be cleaning out the throttle bodies and the mass airflow sensors. See how that goes. Yeah, and it needs some new wipers. And these are for me. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me give you guys an overview of how the engine looks right now. Yeah, it's pretty dusty. I've already had to replace the new battery, so that's why that looks brand new, and then everything else looks like how it looks. Well, it won't be looking like that for long, so stick around. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys. There's like 50 bolts on this thing. I gotta take off just to do an oil change. So I gotta take these, take that off. It's like there's 16 in total from right here, but it's damage wise doesn't look so bad. Oil. Alright, time to clean up those. So mass airflow sensors, I got two of them. This one right here, and the other one over there if you can't see it. And the throttle bars are right here, so I'm gonna be cleaning those. See how the car responds to that. Hopefully it responds pretty good. Here we go. Alright, finally got it out. See how bad it is. I haven't seen it myself. But from the outside, it looks pretty clean. That's just one of them. And it's pretty shitty. Yeah, definitely needs to clean.